So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Well, in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the keyboard shortcut preferences on the Blender software. This process is same for the any version of the Blender, or you can if you are using it on any other devices like a Mac OS or anything else. So first of all, open the Blender on your device. For example, if I open it on my Windows PC, now this is the home page of Blender, and from here you're gonna see on this top left corner the find this option of edit. Just simply click on this option, and here on the most below of the list you're gonna find this option of preferences. When you click there, now here you're gonna see this window of preferences. In order to change the keyboard preferences, you need to click on this option of key map over this window. You're gonna see it's just right there. Just simply click on there. Now here from here you can select any of the preferences you want. For example, if you want to set the screen preferences, you can select these keys that are pre-defaultly set, and you can change them as well for any of the purpose you want. For example, if you want to animation purpose or some different purpose, all the keys are by defaultly assigned by the Blender, and you can change them as per your convenience as well. So by this method you can easily change the keyboard preferences on the Blender software. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.